Now is the time to unify as a campus.
Change can happen in like small steps.
The goal is to pretty much show that we're not just students on a campus, we're pretty much a community.
We all come from different places and spaces with different experiences. How do we learn to respect those experiences, learn from those, and come together to say we're better, knowing that we're not all the same, we are different, but collectively that difference is what empowers us to be forces for good and agents for change.
Being able to reach out and communicate with other people, that's essential because then you're able to find that sense of growth with them. They're able to give you a different perspective.
You go to an event with somebody, it shows that you care because you took time out of your day in order to be with that person.
It's a campus and sort of modeling what we are called to do in higher education, and that is to respect the human dignity of every person and to build stronger communities because of the learned experience of education.